Hello, my name is Max. This is NoCodeNerd, episode 24. We're talking about Dorik today. So Dorik is pretty crazy. I want to dig into this tool more, although I haven't, but I know a lot of people in the no-code space that recommend it really, really highly. Basically what Dorik lets you do, I'm going to get out of the way so you can see the awesome graphic, is it lets you build websites. Very simple little websites. And I did a little episode in Card. It might have been my first one. Card is my favorite just because it's so obscenely simple. But Dorik honestly probably takes the cake. Like they have a lot of templates, but I like that they have UI components. It's a very, very simple, build it quickly kind of template, and it is built more for startups. So Card is more for average everything, kind of build it from scratch. But Dorik is more built for products and startups, which I should probably use a little bit more. And they have UI blocks. So even if you're not a designer, even if you can't build Jack yourself, they let you create that super easily and just drag it in, right? So as you can kind of see, it's free. I really like that it's free. And it is very, very cheap, $36 a year, like $3 a month. The build annually, you can do 2 custom domains. That's awesome. And then like you can go super hard, like $60 a year for like 100 custom domains, which is amazing. I guess starts from $60 a year. So Card is definitely cheaper. Card is by far the cheapest tool out there. It is the simplest tool as well. So Dorik is like a step up from something like Card. A very simple website builder that lets you create stuff super easily. Yeah, I absolutely love it. And I like that it has a lot of integrations. So integrations are super key, right? It integrates with a lot of other tools like Zapier, Integromat, MailChimp, a lot of other tools that we've talked about on the show. So if you want to build a simple website, I highly recommend Dorik. I know a lot of people in the no-code space that absolutely adore it. Dorik. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions on what you can build with this and if this fits for your website needs. So I'll see you in the next episode. Hopefully this was helpful. Peace out.